Hello and welcome. I am the Awful Chef, and gee, we're hungry. Let's make some food. So, one of the goals of this channel is to make dinner really easy and really cheap. So let's do that. In this 8 by 8 baking pan, I have tomatoes. One of them little tub things, the cherry tomatoes. Put in here a little oil, a little salt, roast it up for about 20 minutes. Okay. Here I got about a pound of mushrooms. Sliced thickly, left to sit, undisturbed, in a pan full of butter and salt. Yes, they are not just cooked, but cooked with a face that is browned. Different flavor, different technique. Or different technique, different flavor, pardon me. So, in this pan, I now have some exciting tomatoes and mushrooms. Oh, that looks fun, doesn't it? What else have we got? Well, I got a little bit of breadcrumbs mixed with Parmesan and Basil. And I'm going to put some of that on there. Yeah, I think dried oregano would be appropriate in this case as well, but I'm using fresh basil. Okay, lots of juice from those tomatoes and the mushrooms as well. Now what do we got? Mozzarella pearls. Yep. Nope. Buy those at the market. They come in a lot of water. You got to drain them. You want to spread those out. Okay, this is actually starting to look pretty good now. Okay, there you go. Let's tailor that. Okay, kind of reminds me of a pizza. Now I got the rest of the breadcrumbs and breadcrumbs, Parmesan, and fresh basil. Okay, I have a good American-style casserole topping right there. So there you go. Yeah, dinner. Let's throw in a little olive oil just for fun, you know, just to give it a nice extra browning on top. Ta-da! Dinner. I got to put that in, turn it on until the cheese melts and the top browns, and then that's it. That with a piece of bread. That's going to be dinner tonight. So, this is social media. Please be social and subscribe. Thank you, and that's it. Goodbye.